Hey, this is Eileen Fernandez-Parker. Today in this video, I'm going to be going over terminology for spreadsheets for beginners. The first thing I want to go over is the lay of the land, and I'm specifically working in Google Sheets. Up here in the top left, we have where you would title your spreadsheet, and until you title it, it's just called untitled. We've got columns, which are running vertically, just like columns on a house. Columns are labeled with letters, and you need to remember that. Rows run horizontally, just like rows of seats in a movie theater, and they are labeled by numbers. Each cell, each one of these blocks is called a cell, and cells are named by letter first and then number, or column first and then row. So this cell right here is cell A1, and then all of these cells would start with A1 through A16. This entire file is called a workbook, and down here, this is called a worksheet. So just like in a workbook, you can have multiple sheets. Over here on the left, we can hit the plus sign to add a sheet, and now I have sheet 2. But additionally, if I've already formatted sheet 1 and I want sheet 2 or sheet 3 to be formatted the same way, I can click on this drop-down arrow and I can choose to duplicate this sheet. So that's a huge time saver. So if I choose duplicate, then it's named copy of sheet 1 so that I know it's a duplicate, and then I can name it whatever I want. So just as a quick review, we've gone over workbook versus worksheet. These are called tabs down here. We've gone over cell names, and we've talked about columns versus rows.